Hello guys, so here with you one another comparison video which is between your Retroid Pocket 3 Plus, your Odin Base and your Odin Pro. So now without any further delay, just starting the differences and finding out that which one suits the best in all conditions, its specification as well as its cost also. Is it defining its cost or not? So now without any starting with the specification, so coming to the features, yeah, your Retroid Pocket 3 Plus is having a CPU of 2875 at the rate 2.0 gigahertz and 6 into 855 at the rate 2.0 gigahertz. Your Odin 2 Pro is having Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Generation 2 and your Odin 2 is also having your Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Generation 2. Now coming to the GPU, your Retroid Pocket is having Mali G52 and your MC2 at the rate 850 MHz and your Odin 2 Pro and your Odin 2 is having Adreno 740 GPU. Talking about its processor, so your Retinoid Pocket 3 is having Unisoc Tiger T618 and your Odin 2 Pro and Odin 2 both are having Qualcomm Snapdragon. Weight is 235 grams for your Retroid Pocket 3 Plus. Odin 2 Pro is 420 grams and Odin 2 is also 420 grams. Coming to its interface, so Retroid Pocket 3 is having 720p micro HDMI, 3.5 audio jack, USB Type C, and Odin 2 Pro is having micro HDMI, 3.5 audio jack, 3.1 USB Type C, and this is same in your Odin 2 also. Coming to its battery, then for your Retroid Pocket 3 it is 4500 mAh and for your Odin 2 Pro it is 8000 mAh and for your Odin 2 it is 8000 mAh. Talking about its RAM, so it is random access memory which is Retroid is having 4 GB LPDDR4 and Odin 2 Pro is having 12 GB LPDDR5X and for your Odin 2 it is same, it is 8 GB LPDDR5X. Now coming to the storage, so it is 128 GB eMMC 5.1 and for your Retroid Pocket 3 Plus and for Odin 2 Pro it is 256 GB UFS 4.0 and for Odin 2 it is 128 GB UFS 4.0. Now coming to its connectivity factors, so Wi-Fi it is Retroid Pocket 3 Plus following 6 version, Odin 2 Pro is following 7 version and Odin 2 is also following 7 version. Bluetooth version is Retroid Pocket 3 Plus is having 5 and Odin 2 Pro is having 5.3 version and Odin 2 is also having 5.3 version. Talking about the color variant, so your Retroid Pocket 3 is coming in various colors like 16-bit US, black, indigo, retro, orange, clear blue, clear purple. Now coming to the Odin 2 Pro, then it is coming in black, white, clear blue, cold grey, clear purple, rainbow, and Odin 2 is also coming in black, white, clear blue, cold grey, clear purple and rainbow. Now talking about the performance, so in your Retroid Pocket 3 Plus it is good for your casual and mid-range gaming, but if I talk about the Odin 2 Pro, then it is good, it is actually a good performable and is capable of handling most of the games with smooth performance as the GPU is also updated and also in gaming factor the graphic cards matters a lot because each functioning needs the best graphics to be there. And also in Odin 2 it is less powerful than your Odin 2 Pro but will give you a decent environment for playing games and better than that of your Retroid Pocket 3 in many ways. So overall if I say Odin 2 Pro is the best, then Odin 2, and after that the Retroid Pocket. Now talking about the battery backup, so for your Retroid it is okay as it is having less battery backup, and for your Odin 2 Pro and Odin 2 both are giving you the same output as compared to the battery life. Approximately if you play continuously, then I can say it can give you around 6 hours of backup in your Odin 2 Pro and Odin 2. Now finding out that which one is the best, so if I talk about the battery, so Odin 2 Pro and Odin 2 is giving the best result in this. Storage wise also your Odin 2 and Odin 2 is giving okay, better, and Odin 2 Pro is giving the best output. Display wise also your Odin 2 Pro and Odin 2 both are taking the green flags. Processor wise also the Odin 2 Pro and your Odin 2 is the best. So if you are an okay player or you are a new player for gaming environment, then you can go for Retroid. But if you are a pro player and you love to just have the gaming environment, so definitely go for the Odin 2 Pro, as it will give you all features and you will be able to just play new games according to the new trend it is being emerging out nowadays. So there will not be any processing or any you can say old version